Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to scan a QR code in the Nike app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is super helpful when you want to access exclusive products, promotions, or check product details while shopping. First, open the Nike app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the camera icon. Tap on it to open the scanner. Now hold your phone up to the QR code you want to scan, and the app will automatically recognize it within a few seconds. You'll be redirected to the product or promotion linked to the QR code, and from there you can explore the product, add it to your cart, or take advantage of any special offers. And that's it. You've successfully scanned the QR code using the Nike app. So that's basically how you can scan a QR code in the Nike app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.